In this video, I want to share with you guys how to switch your account from public to private on Instagram. So there may be reasons for you guys want to do that. So make sure you guys log into your account. And in this case, I'm using the desktop version of Instagram here on my computer. So make sure you switch over to where you have this little cog. And you're going to scroll down where you have privacy and security. So on our devices, whether it be iPhone or Android, you might have just one in each category. So you won't be having privacy and security together. So you may have privacy. So you're going to click on privacy on your device. And then you're going to open up this tab for you. So the first one would be your account privacy. So a private account. So bear in mind, when your account is in private, only people who approve can see photos and videos on your Instagram account. Your existing followers won't be affected, just those who are obviously in the public. And also bear in mind, whenever you're going to approve people to follow your page, obviously those who come in now would be having access to pretty much everything within your account. So whenever you use maybe hashtags and stuff like that as well, those hashtags also won't be shown in the public itself. So those would only be clustered with people which are already following you and also who you're following as well. So bear that in mind. And if you're looking also for maybe a hashtag app that can help you to maybe get more visibility, then I will leave that into the description below where you guys can search the best hashtag that you can use to really rank well into the same algorithm as well here in Instagram. So like I said, all you have to do is to click on privacy. You come over on the first link here and then you click on that one, and then that's how you have your account to switch from public to private. So that's so simple and easy it is. And while you're at it, please, if you can give me a follow and my Instagram account, Nubian Prince Fashion Style, I definitely appreciate that. I do fashion, fitness, and lifestyle, stuff for men. And as well, obviously, I do some collaboration with my wife as well because she's in the plus size niche. So thank you very much for watching. Please, like I said, follow me here and my Instagram, and also do follow me back over my YouTube account. So thank you very much.